Hi everyone, thanks for dropping by my workbench this evening where I'm doing a pre-shipment test of a Breckwell brand convection or room fan. This is a used fan that was removed from a P24 pellet stove. I've had it for sale on eBay, and just today Jonathan and Mark purchased it from me. So Jonathan and Mark, I want to thank you very much for that purchase. I appreciate it very much. So I currently have it set up so that it has a little pink bag on it to be a flag to show that the wind is blowing, and I have an X label on the inside to show that the fan blades are actually spinning. So let me go ahead and turn that on and we'll see that spin up. And we have it in low mode right now, so we see that the blade is spinning and of course that the wind is blowing out of it. I'm going to be quiet for a second here so you can hear it spin by itself. So in just open space right now you can hear that it's relatively quiet. I can switch it to higher speed. There's the higher speed mode. I'll take off the flag just to make sure that that doesn't add to the noise level. And I'm going to shut it off real quick here. I'll remove the flag on the inside, turn it back on. So there it is, it's fully functional, relatively quiet. I'll package that up this evening and have it in the mail for you tomorrow. The fan itself is a Facso Industries brand fan, model number 7021-8711, and it will need to be lubricated per the label here. Lubricate once every 6 months. And that applies to every fan in every pellet stove, by the way. So let me turn that off. Once again, I want to thank you for purchasing this from me. I appreciate it very much. And for all you viewers, if you have a pellet stove controller that you need repaired, please feel free to contact me. My contact information can be found in the video description just below this video. Thanks everyone. Bye-bye.